Hi everyone, it's Kim with Memories Cast Love. It's a little chilly here today in Ohio, so I have on a Christmas sweatshirt to try and stay warm with. Today is the first day of my gaming videos, and for this one I picked a super quick and easy one because I have to take my daughter to the doctor's, and so I don't have much time. So I just picked a quick and easy game of baseball. Everything I got from the Dollar Tree. First thing I got was the bat and ball set, and that came together. I just cut out the baseball bat. Then I picked up this set of, it's called a baseball base set. It's got the 3 bases, the home plate, and the pitcher's rubber, it's called. And these are pretty cool. They're made out of nice foam. Yeah, they're nice and super tough. I mean, they're not going to withstand everybody sliding or whatever, but here's the pitcher's rubber, the home plate, first base, second base, and third base. And like I said, they're kind of cool. They're not just cardboard. Then there was a 3-piece set of balls. I'm not using the ball that came with the bat because these are a little bit larger. And then I picked up this cute little bucket. It was in the spring section. It says it's an Easter basket, but I think it was just left over from Easter. But then I picked the balls in the bucket. And then next is just to set up. Okay, so I have everything. Now I'm going to try and figure out how I want to set this up. Okay, just do whatever works for your yard and that. And my home plate is up so that way they can hit it more down toward a field that I have. Okay, so there's your super quick and easy game to set up. Everything was from the Dollar Tree, so I spent $4 plus tax. But this way, it is a cheap game. It can involve every one of your guests. Well, there's your game for today. I'll have another game for you for tomorrow. Thanks for watching. And remember to make some loving memories today.